We got some big changes coming to the channel, so let's get started. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to take this video just to kind of explain a little bit of the changes that are coming. I am doing this YouTube thing full time, so I'm cranking out videos for you guys, but I know there's a lot of people coming to the channel that may not be necessarily, here for Ram content. They may be here because of the hellcat swapped Dodge Dakota, which I'm trying to, keep everybody happy and try to produce content that, everybody's interested in at the same time. With that being said, this video is going on our main channel. So thanks to you guys, we hit over 100,000 subscribers about a week ago. I think we're at 102,000 or so now. So we're growing real fast. And in order to keep up with this, I'm cranking out videos. But I also am listening to you guys at the same time. And while I'm improving things on different vehicles and, making helpful content, I want to keep it interesting for everybody, but at the same time, deliver the content that everybody is looking for. So with that being said, if you guys don't already know, we have a second channel. You guys are already asking or might be thinking, why are you starting a second channel? The reason being is because on the main channel, I want to keep the interesting stuff, the more exciting stuff, and the bigger content. Whereas on the second channel, I want to post some of maybe, the more boring videos, but helpful videos. Because I do produce a lot of those as well for you guys. How to change out things, how to repair things, how to fix things that might not be, the most exciting content for the main channel. But still, nonetheless, it's helpful, and I want to produce it for you guys as I'm, going through things and fixing things. For example, like if we're going to install a intake, that's pretty cool, pretty exciting. I want to put that on the main channel for you guys. But I replaced the mirrors on the truck. If you guys know, it had a damaged mirror here. I replaced them. Still needed to get done. I still recorded it. Not the most exciting thing, but some guys might want to know how to change the mirrors, how to convert mirrors. We're also going to be showing you how to convert to power mirrors. So these are power mirrors that are on here, and I'm going to be showing you guys and detailing all that stuff. So those types of content I want to keep on the smaller channel. The cool stuff, the exciting stuff, the go fast stuff, racing, cool mods and stuff like that we do, that'll probably stay on the main channel. But some of the other stuff, like I said, changing mirrors, changing a lot of light bulbs and stuff like that, which bulbs work with CAN bus system, which ones don't, all that kind of stuff is going to start going on the other backup channel, just because I don't want to be hitting you guys, people that are subscribed to the main channel with little things, how to change mirrors, how to change light bulbs, all that kind of stuff. Still helpful, but I want to put it on the other channel so that we don't annoy the guys that are coming for the exciting content. So hopefully that makes sense. That's the way I want to go for now. We can always revise later, but that's what I want to do at least for now. Comment down below what you guys think of this idea, if maybe I'm missing something, if you think there's a better way of organizing all this content. But like I said, everybody that is subscribed ends up getting a notification every time I post a video, and I don't want to be, blowing up people's notifications for, how to change mirrors or how to fix this certain problem, or, this check engine light for that, or what bulbs work. That stuff I'll keep on the separate channel for those guys that want all those how-to repair videos and all that kind of stuff. So that's the way we're going to do it. I'll link the second channel up above. In addition to that, I'm also going to be posting some YouTube shorts over there. So YouTube has shorts, which are just, short 1 minute max videos. I'll post them on the other channel. I post a lot of stuff to Instagram, so a lot of stuff like that will go over there. But let me know what you guys think down below. I will link that channel here above, and also down below where you guys can check out the other channel. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any videos. Give me your feedback down below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.